everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today I'm going to show you how to make the South Indian filter coffee. It's a South Indian specialty and waking up to this aroma is just absolutely heavenly and my favorite thing to do. So now let's proceed without any further delay. So guys, to make the perfect tasting South Indian coffee, what you need is a South Indian coffee filter, and it gets divided into 3 parts. So let me show it to you. So the bottom part is the collection chamber. This is where your coffee is going to be collected. The second part comes with a tamper, or you can call it a press, and the upper perforated brewing chamber. So this is where you are going to put the coffee granules, and then using the tamper or the press, you're going to press it down. And then you just simply cover with the lid and let the hot water and the coffee do its job. So guys, I think it's time for us to start working on our actual coffee making process. Here I'm using Bruce Green Label coffee granules. These come in 53% coffee and 47% chicory, and this is actually perfect for my family. This, you can say, percentage is just absolutely perfect, not too dark, not too bitter, just perfect tasting coffee. So I would also recommend that if you are a first timer, then do give this one a try, the Bruce Green Label a try. And now I'm just simply going to open the packet and add 2 tablespoons of this coffee granules in the upper chamber of this coffee maker. And if you guys feel that I'm adding a lot of coffee, then don't be worried. This is how much you're going to need it. This is not instant coffee. These are coffee granules and they don't get mixed easily with the water. And once you add the coffee granules, then take this press or the tamper and lightly dab on the coffee. And guys, I had already boiled 1 cup of water, which I'm going to add it on top of this tamper or press. And then we are going to cover it up and let this hot boiling water do its trick. Basically, after keeping it aside for the next half an hour, we will have the coffee concoction ready in the lower bottom chamber. So now let's keep it aside for half an hour and I will see you back in half an hour. And guys, if you do like my recipe, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be first to watch my future videos. And it's free. So why wait? And now let's proceed. So 30 minutes later, let's open the lid and see the water is gone and we have some used coffee grounds. We need to discard this because we're not going to use it again. And let's look at our bottom chamber. Nice. It's nicely filled with the coffee concoction. And now guys, it's time to make our delicious filter coffee. So in the serving glass, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. And to this, we are going to add the good stuff, which is the coffee concoction that we made. It depends upon you how strong you want your coffee. I prefer mine very mild, so I have added just 1/4 cup of this coffee concoction, and then I'm going to add hot milk. If you guys prefer strong coffee, then you can always add more of the coffee concoction. And it's time to pass the coffee between these 2 tumblers. This will help dissolve the sugar. It also creates frothy, creamy coffee, and it also brings it to a drinkable temperature. So it does all these 3 things. So make sure you do this. Again, it's a lot of fun to do that as well. So why not, right? And guys, you can always add 1 teaspoon of this coffee concoction on top just for decoration, and it's smelling absolutely heavenly. And now let's have a sip. It wakes up your mouth also. Oh, it's like a burst of energy, you know guys, it's a burst of energy in your mouth. Your whole body wakes up. The perfect drink in the morning to have. So guys, do make it. Do let me know what you think about it. And if you guys haven't subscribed, then please do subscribe right now. And if you did like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one, as well as this one. So do click on these links and I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye-bye.